Pharmacy, may I help you?
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hi, I'm not feeling very well. I think I have a stomach thing going on. And I want to send my grandson up to pick something up for me, but I'm just wondering what to tell him to pick up for me.
Okay, what's going on?
Well, I'm dry heaving a lot.
Okay.
Actually, hold on. Could you hold on 1 second?
Sure.
I'm still just dry heaving up a storm.
Well, there's a product called
I'm sorry, what was that?
I said there's a product called
I can't eat or keep anything down.
Well, you'll take
What?
you'll take 2 tablespoons of this.
Go ahead.
2 tablespoons, no water.
Oh, God.
And then just try and sit quietly for about 15 minutes.
And what?
And it should help kick that out.
And what's it called again? It's called Habitrol? What was that? Okay.
What's your name, and we'll have it ready for you.
Ethel Mertz.
Gotcha, Ms. Murray.
Thank you.
Sure.